What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make 2019 the best year of your life. So the reason why I know this one simple step will make 2019 the best year of your life is because I did this step and it made 2018 the best and most successful year of my life. 2018 was the year I created this channel, and in 2018, in less than a year, I grew my channel to over 7,700 subscribers. So I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all you guys for subbing, for showing support, for liking, for commenting on my videos. So while we're at it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the section of what your New Year's resolutions are and whether 2018 was a good year or a bad year. So whether 2018 was a good year or a bad year for you, I want to help you guys make 2019 the best year of your life. So there's tons of ways to do this, but there's literally one simple method that anyone can do and it will work so easily. It's this simple. Everyone has a phone and you can write notes on your phone. So on my phone right here, I have notes and it says 2018 goals. So I'll show you guys on the screen right now, but as you can see, I had goals right here and I put check marks beside the goals that I achieved and I put X's on the goals that I didn't achieve. And at the end of that, I was going to reward myself with something, and if I completed all those goals, I would get that reward. But there was two things that I did not complete. So I'm going to read you guys the goals right now. So my 2018 goals, one of them was to build a 100K portfolio. And I made a video where I clearly built a $100,000 portfolio. My second goal was to reach 1,000 subs. I feel like just yelling at the top of my lungs right now, 1,000 subscribers, yes! But I can't because people are going to look at me like I'm some weirdo. I completed that a little sooner than the year, so I upped that goal to 4,000. I completed that, and then I upped that goal to 7,500, which I completed. Another goal was to get monetized in YouTube, which I did get monetized, so I completed that. That was a check mark. Another goal was to sell 500 phones. That you can make money off anything. I've already showed you that I can make money selling iPhones. I've showed you that I can make money selling Samsungs. Also showed you how I made money selling some video games and even some crap. Unfortunately, that was one of the goals that I didn't complete, so I put a little X there. I only got 478 out of the 500 phones, so I put an X beside that. That was one goal that I did not complete. So another goal was to build a new stream of income, and I did with YouTube. My channel is now monetized on YouTube, which is why you probably see commercials before or after my videos. So I completed that goal. Another one was to make 30 videos before the year ends. This was kind of like a last minute goal. I put that around November. I wish I had a date of when I wrote that in, but I obviously completed that because in the last 2 months of the year, I pretty much was posting daily. So I completed that. That deserved a double check mark. And another goal was to find new products to sell, which I did. It's been somewhat successful, somewhat unsuccessful. I still have one more of those, so I'll show you. 1 second.
A few moments later.
This is actually my last one. I had 10 of these and they were brand new. They're like little crappy computers. I got a pretty good deal on them. I was buying them for $100 each and selling them for $150. Not the greatest profit, but they also did take a very long time to sell. I tested this product, I tried to sell it, but it wasn't as successful as an iPhone or a PS4 would be. But I still completed the goal because I found a new product. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be selling that product no more. It's not as successful as a PS4. It's not as successful as an iPhone. It wasn't bad. It just wasn't the greatest product to sell. And another goal that I had was to start a new YouTube channel in 2018. Unfortunately, I did not succeed in that. I didn't start it. I've been super busy with this Investing Hustler channel, but I do hopefully plan to start a new channel this year. So those were my 2018 goals, and pretty much just by having this written down on my phone, looking at it daily, and it feels pretty rewarding when you put a green little check mark beside a goal that you completed. Just doing that alone, it helps out a lot. Just having it there written down. I know a lot of people have New Year's resolutions and they just say it in their head and then they just never look back at it because it's not written. The fact that you write it down changes everything. It motivates you more. Looking at it in black and white motivates you, and if you reward yourself in the end, it's totally worth it. So yeah, that was my 2018, and it has been one of my most successful years ever, just because of that one simple step. Obviously there's more steps you need to do, but this is one simple step that you could do, and it's literally just have a piece of, whether it's a piece of paper, whether it's on your fridge, whether it's on your phone, something that you look at every day. Just write it down and look at it, and that's it. If you complete something, check mark it. If you completed it too soon, raise the bar a little. Maybe that goal wasn't high enough. So that's why when I started off, my goal was to reach 1,000 subs. I got to that goal in around 3 months.
The sky is the limit. Let's see what I could do by the end of 2018. I'm gonna set my goal to 4,000 by the end of 2018. Maybe that's a little too much. We'll see. I completed 1,000 a bit quicker than I thought I would. So now let's go for 4. Let's go for 5.
Then I changed my goal to 4,000 subs, and I got to that goal, I don't know in how long, but I kept upping the bar because I completed that goal too soon. Then my final goal was 7,500, which I completed. I tried to up it to 8,000. I didn't do it, but I was still happy because I had 7,500 subs. So now I'm going to talk about my 2019 goals. I'll show you guys the goals right now, but obviously I'm going to put it up on the screen right here so you guys can check it out. I do plan on adding more as time goes by, so maybe one day I'll wake up and I'll be like, hey, I want to do this. I'll write it down, because the thing is, sometimes you think about something and you forget it, but if it's written, if it's saved, if it's somewhere where you can look at it every day, then it's going to be there and it's going to be on your mind every day, so you can look at it and focus on completing that goal. It doesn't have to be complete in one day. You have the full year to complete it. So these are more like 1 year goals. So it's always good to have short-term goals, long-term goals, and New Year goals. So these are my New Year goals for 2019. Some of you might laugh because you might think this might be impossible, and it might be. I might not ever be. Maybe because last year I didn't set the bar high enough when it came to subscribers. So this year my goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers. Some people might think that will never happen. I'm hoping it does. It's my 2019 goal. I hope to reach 20,000 subscribers. Another one for Instagram is to reach 8,000 followers on Instagram. I just got to double my Instagram. Once again, people might think that's impossible. I think it's possible. It all depends. Another one is to create a new YouTube channel and try to get it monetized. I feel like this one's going to be a lot harder than the first two, because to get a channel monetized, it takes a lot of time, especially this channel right here. I think it took me 6-7 months to get it monetized, and it took a lot of time. Even though I was only posting 1 or 2 videos for the first 6 months, it still took a lot of time and effort to get that channel monetized. But I feel now, with my experience with Investing Hustler, with the fact that I know what I'm kind of doing, I know how to edit videos, I know how to create thumbnails and create content, and I kind of have a small following here. Maybe you guys can help me out on my new channel. It might be a little easier to get that channel monetized and to create one. I still don't know what that channel is going to be, but it's one of my goals, so I hope to complete it this year. Another one is to make 200 videos this year. That's going to be somewhat tough, somewhat easy. Last year I made about over 100 videos. I don't know the exact number off the top of my head, but this year I want to make over 200 videos in 1 year. So that's a pretty easy one. It's fairly doable. If I get to 200 goals too soon, I might up the bar to 250 to 300. Never get satisfied when you complete a goal, especially if it's too soon. If I complete it near December, then perfect. But if I complete this goal in July, I'm gonna up that bar. I'm gonna put it up to 250, put it up to 300. All depends when I complete it. So another one is to have $150,000 in my portfolio. So this one, it's gonna be a little tough, because at the same time, I do want to take cash out of my portfolio because the markets have been very volatile. Who knows what's going to happen, but obviously I'm going to continue investing. I've made some pretty good money last year just from swing trading, day trading, investing, etc. So I want to have 150K in my portfolio, preferably 50-50 cash, 75K cash, 75K in stocks. But that's another goal of mine. And this is more like simple goals: do more good and help more people. And another one is create another source of income. So whether that's from a channel, whether that's from a course. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to add that. Oh yeah, that was one goal I forgot to read. Complete at least one of the 3 courses. So I'm supposed to be having courses. I talked about it in a collab with Departures Capital, but I've started the courses. They're kind of started, but I have not completed them. So at least I want to complete 1 course. I haven't found the time to do it, or I lack the effort. I just haven't done it. There's no excuse. I just haven't done it. So at least I want to complete 1 course this year. Another goal is to do more good and help more people. So I want to do more good. I believe in karma. So I believe if you do good, good will happen to you. If you do bad, bad things will happen to you. So I want to do good this year. I want to do more good things. I want to help people, and hopefully the good energy I give off, I will get back. So that's another goal. And then my last goal is to create, I said that already, create another source of income. So whether that's a course, whether that's a YouTube channel, whatever it is, that's one of my goals and I want to do it. And I'm gonna add another goal where I want to become shredded. So I want to work out, I want to get in shape, I want to be healthy, I want to have the healthiest year and be in the best shape of my life by the end of this year. So that's another goal. I'm just gonna add that right now. So it's that simple. You literally just write it down. And what should I call that goal? Get shredded. So there's no excuse. Everyone has a phone, everyone has a piece of paper, everyone has a pen, everyone has a fridge, everyone has a wall. So whether you write it on your phone, on a piece of paper, on your fridge, anywhere, write it down, set some goals. It could be 5 goals, it could be 3 goals, it could be 10 goals, it could be 20, doesn't matter. Make it goals that are possible to achieve in a year and look at it at least once a week and try to complete those goals. And at the end of it, reward yourself. I don't know what I'm gonna reward myself yet, but it's gonna be something good. Maybe it'll be my trip to South America that I didn't give myself because I did not complete my last year's goals. But just reward yourself, because then that gives you something to look forward to when you complete all those goals. And not only will you be completing goals, you'll be rewarding yourself. You will become a better person, and 2019 will be the best year of your life. On top of that, I want to ask you guys to leave a comment. Maybe comment a goal that I should be doing, another goal I should add to my list, or let me know what goals you have for 2019. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Share this video with as many people. Help my channel grow. Also help them have the best year of their life. I hope you guys have the best year of your life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.